Brand awareness is one of those crucial marketing metrics that everyone wants to know, but often finds difficult to measure. Surprisingly, even the simplest dashboards can be incredibly helpful and insightful. If you're looking for a quick solution, use timecodes in the description to jump right into the needed section. For the rest of the audience, let's start with the basics. Tracking marketing campaigns can be straightforward. You monitor impressions, clicks, and ultimately sales generated. However, measuring a campaign's impact on brand awareness isn't as straightforward. While we often refer to brand awareness as a single metric, it's actually a set of different metrics such as branded search volume, branded impressions, direct website traffic, social mentions, social engagement, and more. To understand the effectiveness of your brand awareness efforts, you have to compare this data with the results of the PPC campaigns to find correlations between them. The challenge is that the information you need is often spread across multiple service providers. Therefore, you need a tool that combines all this data into one, like Coupler.io, which turns complex data into simple reports. Let's start with a simple example. If you run a Facebook ads campaign to boost brand awareness, you can monitor the relationship between ad impressions and branded keyword searches. Here's a Facebook ads and brand awareness dashboard template by Coupler.io. It pulls data from Facebook Ads Manager and Google Search Console and visualizes it in Looker Studio. You can immediately gain a basic understanding of the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. Then drill down the results by country or campaign. But most importantly, by comparing your paid impressions with branded impressions and clicks, you can estimate how brand awareness changes over time and which ad campaigns help increase it. Keep in mind that an increase in branded impressions may not be immediate. It can take up to a month before the effect shows. You can grab this dashboard for free and set it up in minutes. Check the link in the description. Okay, but what if you're using more than one ad channel? Coupler.io has a solution for that too. This cross-channel dashboard is designed to help you understand the correlation between brand search queries and your advertising campaigns across Facebook ads, Google ads, and Microsoft ads. This dashboard compares paid impressions to branded impressions and clicks. Again, this is crucial to understanding how brand awareness changes over time and identifying which ad campaigns and channels are most effective. The template is designed in Power BI. To start using it, follow the instructions to connect Google Search Console and your ad platforms and specify your brand name. If you're using very specific ad platforms, you can create a dashboard from scratch in Coupler.io, which enables you to choose from 60 data providers and visualize them in a service of your choice. Or you can grab one of the pre-made templates we covered earlier and gradually add some ad platforms. The possibilities are limitless. Now you know how to use and create a brand awareness dashboard. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, share the video with others, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a thing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.